bought this Bodycam 4K Ultra HD Bodycam a week ago, and I'm really amazed and satisfied with this product. So we have a very durable, a very lightweighted and convenient Bodycam for anyone who is looking for any athlete. You could be an adventurer, hiker. This is really amazing. So as you can see on the top, we have a release button. Press this one so that you can release the camera from the station. And on the bottom, as you can see, we have a charging indication. It shows the percentage of the charge of the camera. And we have ports here where we can charge the camera, and we have a mounting screw all over here. So this is the power or the shutter button over here. So if you press and hold, that's power on, and I press and hold. Let me release it first from the charging station. As you can see, the magnet is very strong. Okay, let's see. So press and hold turns on the camera. Okay, so as you can see, if there's a blue light on the left, that means Wi-Fi is on, ready to connect to the app. Green light on the right means that it's ready to record. So if I press and hold, it's gonna turn off. If I want to record, one press, and blinking green light means it's recording now. To pause, one press, and then it's paused. So in order to turn on the Wi-Fi and off in video mode, double tap. This is blue, which means the Wi-Fi is on. Double tap again. Okay, now the Wi-Fi is off. Okay, it comes with 64 gigabytes micro SD card, which is over here, which is inside here, and then you can also see the USB port, Type-C USB port over here. Holder that comes with it. So as you can see, it's very strong. So you can hang this on your neck, and then just simply put this over there. Or you can also use this bracket in order to mount it. So it comes with 3 different brackets, 2 cables. One is USB-A to USB-C, and the other one is Type-C to Type-C.